Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save all of your assets to separate files so that you can then incorporate them into a web page while you're coding. Here's what I have here. Brandon again. I see I have 3 buttons here and they are on separate layers. As you see, I can turn them off. So you have to make sure that your text and your button that you create are all one layer. If you need help knowing how to do that, let me know and I can walk you through that. Alright, Brandon and the background are also 2 separate layers. Now to save all these as separate assets, we're going to go to File, and then we're going to go to Scripts, and then we're going to go down to Export Layers to Files. Click on that. Choose where you want it. I'm just going to put this on my desktop, but where you want to put it is in your My Documents, under Web Design, under Green Screen. We're still running this stuff under the green screen tutorial. Save it as whatever you want as far as your prefix, and then click Run. And you'll notice it's going to go through each one of the layers and save them separately. When you're done with that, you will be able to open up those layers in your Google Drive, which I'll show you here in a second, and then you will be able to use that in your web page. Alright, now that I have saved my files to my Google Drive, Web Design, About Me page, in this case I put Brandon on there because it's Brandon's our example that I'm using. You will see that it is in my Google Drive. It is in your Google Drive as well, wherever you saved it. This is obviously going to be your assets, not these. Now, in order to create an image source, the same way you created an image source before, you click on the image, and then you click Open the image, and that gives you the URL you need in order to be able to use that as an asset. You would just copy that and paste it in as your image source. Alright, so be sure that you take your About Me page, you right click on it, and you go to Share, and then go to Share, and up will pop this dialog box. So what this will allow is for everyone to be able to see your assets. Now if you just take your image source and you place it in without doing this, make sure it's public on the web and then click Save. If you take your web page and you write in all your image sources without doing this, it's not going to allow anyone else to see it. So when I go to grade it, it's just going to be a bunch of broken images. So make sure that you make it public on the web so that when I view your code, I will be able to see all of your assets that you have created.